Congratulations! You've reached the end of this course. You will find many opportunities to continue your learning and apply your skills. Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey, where you gained essential knowledge on how to perform vector data searches with relational databases that will help you contribute effectively to using vector data for AI. PostgreSQL uses lexemes, which is the one-word normalized form of similar words, to speed up vector data search. PostgreSQL supports full-text search using the tsvector data type and the tsquery command. Commonly used models that create vector embeddings for text-based data include Hugging Face, TensorFlow, OpenAI, and Google Generate AI. When the cosine similarity between the two vectors is close to 1, then objects represented by the two vectors are similar, and similarity is achieved. The PostgreSQL PG Vector extension supports vector data search for non-text data, such as images, audio, and video files. When using PostgreSQL, remember these helpful guidelines when working with vector data types. Adjust the vector data embedding length to match the model in use. You can use an insert statement following the inclusion of code for the embedding array to insert vector data into your database, and use the select statement with the left arrow equals and right arrow operator to find cosine similarity. Use the PostgreSQL copy command to transfer data between files and tables, including CSV file transfers. And if your data is not in a CSV file and you need to perform bulk or batch inserts into PostgreSQL, consider using the pgpromise package in Node.js. Now that you've reviewed some of the fundamental ideas presented in this course, remember to utilize the course glossary and cheat sheet. These assets can help you quickly reference much of what you learned. You can also share what you learned in the labs in the code repository of your choice. These projects provide you with examples to showcase your skills to prospective employers. Remember to make these directories public if you wish to make these projects accessible to others. If you are not already enrolled in the IBM Vector Databases Fundamentals program, of which this course is a part, we encourage you to do so. Depending on your schedule, you can complete this 4-course program in approximately 1 month. Depending on your goals, consider additional advanced role-based certifications or enrollment in other fundamental courses for lateral learning. You'll find links to these courses in the Congratulations and Next Steps reading. Each program contains multiple hands-on labs and a final project. Professional certificate programs also have a capstone course where you synthesize and showcase all of your skills learned throughout the program. Congratulations on completing this course, and thank you for participating in this learning journey. As a next step, we recommend that you continue learning and applying your new skills. We wish you all the best.